What are you doing? What are you doing? Come here, you wanna come over to mommy? 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 Come on, you can do it. What are you doing? Go get him. He's still on the sheet. Come here. Try to figure it out. There you go, there you go. Alright. Alright, sissy. Got it. Whoa. Whoa. You using that leg to launch yourself forward? Uh-oh, now it touched the floor. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Okay, mommy's got to get the wipes to wash that ducky off.